Hi, I'm Sandy Botkin, CPA, attorney, and former trainer of IRS attorneys nationwide, and best-selling author of the book Lower Your Taxes Big Time. You are going to love this video because it's going to put a lot of money in your pocket. And we're going to be talking about associated entertainment. What's that? Bet you don't know. Associated entertainment means fun. You're able to write off your fun. That's things like season tickets, movies, plays, golf. Hey, if you're a golfer, golf's an expensive sport. So by writing it off, you get twice as much fun, right? Well, let's talk about the rules. The IRS regulations, and the same thing is true in Canada, says that you can write off your fun, 50% of your fun, and 50% of your friend's fun if you pay for them, if you talk business within the same 24-hour day as the fun. Does that give you enough room? So let's give you a good example. Let's say that you want to go out, let's say we drive to a football game, and you talk business in the car with a prospect, and you had the intent to talk business while you're in the car. Is that talking business within the same 24-hour day as the game? Yes. Let's say I want to play golf with someone, with Jake, for example, my friend Jake. And we talk business over lunch, and then Jake says, all right, let's go play golf. And I tell him, all right, you show me how to play, I'll go with you. I might have a 300 handicap, but I'm going. Is that talking business within the same 24-hour day? In other words, we talk business over lunch, and then we play golf. Yes. The key is you want to talk business either preceding or following the fun within the same 24-hour day. The government will never believe you talk business while you're watching a movie or while you're on the golf course. So it's got to be preceding or following the fun. And how do you prove you did this? Through TaxBot. That's how you do it. Now let's talk about season tickets. Do you have season tickets? What do you have season tickets to? Shows? Plays? Football game? Basketball game? Well, the way season tickets work is that every event stands by itself. So let's take an example. Let's say you have season tickets to the theater, and you can go 6 times, 6 theatrical events. One time you take your son and you talk business. Maybe you take your brother once, and you take your sister once, and you take your best friend once, and you take your cousin once. And you do this 5 out of 6 times, and one time you don't talk business with anyone, or you just take your spouse. Therefore, 5/6 of your season tickets is deductible times 50%. And how do you prove to the IRS that you talk business with the season ticket, on the way to the season ticket, or on the way to the show, or after the show? Your tax organizer, like TaxBot. Also, you can give away use of your season ticket. If you give it to a prospect in the hope that they'll give you referrals, or after you talk business, that is a business day. And by doing all this and writing off your fun, you can make your life a lot less taxing.